What is up, my peeps? My name is Beth. This is Lily, and we are Peeping the Parks and More, and we'd love to take you guys along with us. Let's go! In this video, we'll be visiting a train graveyard, the Mississippi River, and Bourbon Street. Stay around and have some fun. All right, my friend from Georgia is coming. Jojo from Georgia. She should be turning that corner any minute now, unless she sneaks me and comes around that corner. I live on a court, so depending on what way GPS brings her, she's gonna sneak me. So yeah, we are going on a 7-day camping trip. But not before we spend 2 days at my house. 3 days and 2 nights. Still waiting. I'd rather be recording and catch her than the camera not be on and ready, because she might come zooming down the street. I don't know. I don't think so, but I just don't want to be caught off guard. Alright, come on. Wait. Come here. Come get on your string. Come here. Don't you go nowhere. Come here. Come here. Come here. Good girl. Good girl, mama. Hang on. Wait. Alright. Alright, she's still not here. I'm glad I went to get the dog. Hey, little girl. Hey. Well, hopefully she's okay. In the meantime, there's a little dog in the van. Ooh, we can't wait to go. Can't wait. Where's this girl? She told me 12:45. Maybe she meant 1:45. I'm gonna call her. I'm gonna call her. Let's see. Let's make a call real quick. I don't think she meant 1:45. How far are you, girl? Esplanade. Okay. I'm like, maybe she was an hour behind on her on her clock. I needed to make sure. I was like, maybe she's still on Georgia time. Esplanade, huh? That's cute. It's Esplanade. Hey, you funny. Are you funny, my friend?
Girl, it is scary driving through all that New Orleans stuff right there.
Oh, wow.
Oh, the bridges and traffic.
Oh, girl, you're fine. Hey, look,
Calm down.
you from Texas, bro. It ain't no worse than that.
On my acreage, I didn't go nowhere when I was younger.
That's hilarious. All right, I'm waiting for you. Look, the driveway's clear for you, so
Okay.
my driveway is to the left of my house.
So I need to pull in. You want me to back in or pull forward? How does it work?
I mean, pull forward, pull back in, because if we're going to be taking your camper stuff out, you know, back in.
So, because is it going to be kind of like up a hill or something?
Straight back, girl. There ain't no hills in Louisiana.
Okay. Good, because my tail ass is dragging you.
No, I mean, you're going to have to go up a curb, a little bitty curb.
Yeah.
Look,
Oh yeah, that'll be fine.
you're going to see my van, you're going to see my Volvo in the front. I'm the driveway on the left.
After this, let's see what road it tells me to turn on after this.
It's going to tell you to take a...
on that road right now.
Yep. I know where you at.
The Walgreens.
Yeah, you ain't turning right there.
Yeah, that's this Esplanade whatever road.
Esplanade. No, Okay, yeah. You're gonna turn left on Esplanade. Look, go listen to it. I'll see you when you get here.
Alright.
Alright, bye. She's coming, y'all. She's close. She's so close. I'm just gonna let it roll. I'm gonna let it roll. The little dog, she don't know what's happening. She's like, what are we doing? Noonie, what are we doing? What are we waiting for, Mama? See, what are we waiting for? What are we waiting for? We're waiting for Georgia. Jojo, Georgia. Georgia, Jojo, yeah. She's coming, Mom. She's coming. Georgia, Jojo is coming. Yeah, she's coming. She's coming. She's coming, Mama. We're just gonna let this run. So my peeps, wait till I show y'all where we at. My friend Jojo and I are.
We're at the train yard, boneyard.
We at the train boneyard. We at the train graveyard.
These things are so old, guys. They're rusted so bad. They got holes all the way through them.
I bet you people go up in there. Look at these things, y'all. How awesome.
So much.
Sorry about the wind, y'all.
Look, something's hanging right there like that. Oh no, that's just leaves.
Yeah.
Vines.
Yeah, you know people get up in here because look, they crashed the fence down. Ooh, look at this, how awesome, y'all. Be careful. Huh? Why are you worried? You ain't gonna get in trouble. I'm the one that lives here. All right. Oh wow, look. Yeah, bro, we ain't the only
Place
people.
your coach says.
We ain't the only people that's ever done this. I just let the fence go back up. Yeah, these kids probably come back here and graffiti all this stuff up. Look.
Oh, look how old these things are.
Love
They
it.
don't even look like
A real train, huh? Look at this, y'all. How awesome. Man, this is so stinking awesome. So last time I was here, I was by myself and I didn't do all this. I just drove through the parking lot. You want to try to get in one? No, you ain't hoisting me up. No, I'm good. Let me hoist you up. Shit, how are we gonna get past this? I ain't walking through that. I know, I was thinking the same thing.
They're all closed.
I mean, we could scoot through there.
Uh-oh.
We could scoot through there and go the back way, but man, look how they just look at that spike. We gotta take that. That's awesome.
This wasn't even
It's a
here.
railroad spike. Look, that's what they stuck through Jesus's hands.
Yeah, it was.
Probably bigger than that.
We're at
All aboard! That's awesome. Look at that. That one is incredibly rusted.
Look how tall those steps were, though, from any kind of road. How did they ever get in that?
Because
I mean,
they probably were further down. They look like they removed them, maybe. I don't honestly know.
people getting in it.
Yep, to keep people from getting in it. Yeah.
They're foolproof. And look,
Look,
got
this-
ferns growing in this.
This is history, y'all.
Ferns are growing. Sure.
This is America, y'all. America.
Look.
Oh, look, you can see.
There's all kinds of stuff growing in
Yeah,
there.
you can see through. You can
This
see
one's
through
more
that.
Like more of a cargo one.
You know what? This would be such a
That's not pretty graffiti, though.
dude. This would be such a cool video, cool photo shoot.
Oh, it was
Yep. Oh, listen to him. It's a cardinal. That's my mother.
That is amazing.
My mom was in that hospital. That's how I found these trains. I see you, Mama.
Oh.
Hey, pretty bird.
Hi, lady.
Oh, hey. Oh my God, that bird is
What if she
beautiful.
come down? Like, for real. What if she was like, come on, Mama.
If that bird came down here, I'd blow my mind.
Come on, Mama. Come on, Mama. See that? It's itching its way. Come on, Mama.
Come on, baby. Man.
Mama.
That bird is stunning. Hey, baby. Hey, pretty bird. Bird's so red it looks orange. This is crazy, y'all. We're not supposed to be back here. Did that thing say no trespassing? Yeah,
Hi, peeps.
Hey, my peeps.
We got one car we want to see.
No, she's got one car she wants to see. Before the popos come. They're probably watching us. They probably like, look at them fools.
Oh, dead end.
Dead end.
We ain't gonna be able to get to it.
And we didn't pass the water either. We're not past the water, so.
Well,
Oh well.
they figured it out, didn't they? How to block
Yeah.
us.
Alrighty. Oh, if you know me, you know how much I love New York. It says New York Central.
You talking about this one, Dad? Look at this old thing.
Man, I can't wait to go over there.
Oh, that is so old. It's old.
Man, I remember those eyes on trains. That eye, I can't remember the brand, the name, or the company.
International, you think?
International? I don't know. All right, let's go around. So awesome. Look at that, Southern Pacific, that engine.
Look, where's the depot?
I don't know.
I think the depot is here.
I think,
It's just a yard.
I don't think this was a depot. No, I think it's just a dead end. A dead end for them. What are those steps though? Did they give tours or something? Trespassers will be violated. Try to be prosecuted, not violated.
No, we did the violating.
I don't want to be violated, Lord, help me. Oh, shit.
Oh, look at that military car out there.
Where?
See it flat.
I do see it.
It's not blue in it.
It looks like barricades.
Look, I think this ladder is what was like on the. You see them ladders that go up the side of the big, big gas diesel tanks?
But what are these ladders for? It's like they get in and out of that
I know,
car or
they
something.
do. There's a new step. That step way down the far end, girl.
It is new. Like they trying to refurbish that thing or something. I'm going to see these. Yeah, actually. Oh, you might be right. You're probably right. And it's on the rail. Woo, look at that. That black one is nice, man.
Similar to that big back one over here that's all rotted out.
That black one looks brand new. I mean, I know it's not, but like they refurbing it or something maybe.
Those are two back to back. Oh no, it's the same train. 745, 3,800 gallon, and 1,000 gallon, or 10,000 gallon.
Man, that is so. Look at that thing, how beautiful.
Ooh, I want to get in that green one too.
Yeah, I wouldn't be trying to get nothing.
Hey, that one, I bet it's a dinner part.
I agree.
When you went to dinner,
I agree.
play some of that jazz music we were just listening to.
Yeah. God, this one's beautiful. I love that so much. Louisiana Steam Train Association.
Look at the curtains. You see the curtain still on the front right there on that deck, on the porch.
On the porch? Oh, the little awning. Yeah. I mean, that thing really doesn't look like it's in that bad a shape.
I'm telling you.
What are they filming here? Because look, I bet they were filming.
A pull man.
Pullman. Pullman. Hey, my peeps. All right, we done moved from the train yard. And now we at the mighty, muddy Mississippi. Look at this, y'all, how awesome. Sorry about the wind. Look at that tugboat. Cruising down the mighty Mississippi. It's unreal how big this river is. Look how treacherous it is. Fall in, you're pretty much gone. Oh yeah, she's always mad. That river don't play. So my brother used to be a riverboat pilot. Captain. And what somebody told him was, if you drive on the Mississippi, you can drive anywhere in the world. It's only the second most dangerous river in the world.
Oh, so then once you're certified for this river, you're good to go everywhere.
I think the only other one is the Nile or the Amazon. It might be the Amazon River. That's the only other more dangerous than this river.
What's this thing going down into
Look,
the water?
I want to show you something. You see that white building? That's the hospital we were just at.
Oh, okay.
Isn't that crazy?
Oh my God. I should have brought my jacket.
That is
That's where you walk out on and get on the boat.
correct, because the John James Audubon
broken.
no, it's just sunk. It might be broke, because what they do is they have a floating dock usually on the end of them, and it goes up and down.
Okay, that is broken.
So it's probably broken, but yeah, the John James Audubon used to park right there where the paddle wheelers.
Oh.
Go give it to him. Go give it to him. Go give it to him.
Hand it to me.
Go give it to him. Hurry up. Hurry up. My adventurous friend.
He's got a lot of money.
You say that you were born this way, your feet buried in the ground.
Money. He's biking out there.
It's so dizzy.
Gentlemen's Club. Rick's Cabaret. What? Ooh, look at you in your diamond suit. Oh yeah, this is how I thought Mardi Gras was going to be, and I don't have no part of it.
No. No, this is just an everyday
Oh my
occurrence.
God, we got to get a hot dog.
This is just an everyday Bourbon Street occurrence.
You know I haven't went hot dog.
But you don't want that hot dog, that's nasty.
Serious? I got a stomach of iron.
You need one for that hot dog.
Oh my Jesus. Cannot believe I'm on Bourbon Street. Are we supposed to be driving on this road?
It's not closed off. They put the barricades up when it's closed. You can ride on it during the day, you can't ride on it at night.
Did we jump that barricade?
No.
Because they looking at us like we're crazy.
Driving down Bourbon, you got all of us.
Hey, something's loud.
Believe me, if we wasn't supposed to be driving down, we'd know already.
We'd already know.
Oh, we'd know. We're gonna get off it though.
Fat cats.
I don't
Guys, this ain't nothing.
I don't want to.
I thought Nashville had something.
Nashville tries to be like. Nashville changed a lot though.
I thought Nashville had something.
We're gonna get off the street because people are gonna panic. Yeah, I don't want
That's
to freak them
wild.
out. Yeah. I don't wanna freak
Okay. Woo.
Hey, what's up my peeps? So we on Bourbon and we're gonna go ahead and head down to the memorial because I haven't seen it yet. So it took me a minute to wrap my head around being able to come down here. But we are in the first block of Bourbon Street. I don't even really want to walk on the street. I feel like it's just, it should be memorialized. I don't know. I know it's a business street. I'm just gonna stay on the edge of the street. And just pray all of these people were saved. I'm so glad we got to see it when we did, because a few days ago, it was painted over. Odin, you getting to see the house, Bubba? While Lily's outside, she don't know you here. She don't know you here.
She's gonna know.
Come on, come this way. Oh, well, you wrecking shit up, bro. You so big. Go ahead, go by your mother. Go by your mother.
Slow down. Calm down.
Go by your mother.
Go slow.
Come here. Sit. 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 Good boy. Oh, I didn't ask for a paw, but thank you. Oh, ooh. All right, let me see. Let me see the other paw. Sit. Let me see this one. I don't need them at the same time. Lay down. Down. Stay. Look how pretty you are. Odin.
Hey Siri, where are you?
You're so pretty. You're so big, Daddy. What's Mama doing? Go see. All right, we're gonna play with Odin. You ready? Come on. All right, come see, buddy. Come here. Sit. Drop it. Drop it. Pick it up. Get it. All right, wait. Drop it, buddy. Hey, hey. Pay attention. Hey, hey. Sit. Good boy. Get it. Good boy. Okay, drop it. Drop it. Get it. Get it. You don't know how to play with that one, huh? Let's play with the alpaca. Hang on. Let's play with the alpaca. Watch. All right, you ready? Come sit. Come sit. 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 Wait. 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 Get it. Get it. Good boy. Get it. Where's your water, Bubba? Huh? Where's your water? You thirsty? Hey, you ready? You ready? Come on. Good boy. Good try. Good try. Yeah, where is it? Nah, you're not gonna let me get it? Wait. Wait. All righty. You ready? You ready? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Let's see. Get it. Get it. Get it. No, you thirsty? No. You're not playing with that one because you don't listen. You gonna listen? All right. Wait. Wait. Come on. Wait. You bigger than me. You ready? You ready? Oh, no, no. I know. Ain't Bess torturing you? All right, let's go. Woo! Get it, Bubba. Oh, good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Drop it. Get it. Get it. Good boy. All right, let's see. Drop it. Good boy. Get it. Good boy. Oh, that's so good. It's so good. Drop it. Drop it. Get it. Oh, he's so good, Bubba. You're so smart. You're so smart. All right, stop. Drop. Sit. You're so good, Bubba. You are so good. Can you give me that paw? Oh, my goodness. Your hands are so big. They big as mine. They as big as mine. What? It doesn't hardly fly, buddy. Good boy. Good boy. You love that thing? Drop it. Good boy. Let me get it. Wait. Wait. Good boy. Ready? Ah, you're cheating. Come on. You're cheating. Come on, you're cheating. What? All right, here we go. Ah, you're cheating. Get over here. Get over here. All right, sit. Wait. Goodness gracious, you got a good trot on you. You do. Oh, what's this one? Oh, what? You gonna get them both? Oh, you're gonna guard it. Good boy. Woo, he got me worn out. He got me worn out.